Hey, Rugs here. Have you heard the hottest TCG on Web3 today? Introducing Vibes TCG, a completely free-to-play card game. No purchases needed, just jump in and start vibing. Vibes is made for everyone. Unlike the usual dark and intense trading card games, this one is fun, friendly, and full of color. Like the famous TCG card game Pokemon. The cards are super easy to learn. The gameplay, designed with beginners in mind, will be playing like a pro in no time. And the community, one of the friendliest around. The Vibes TCG farm is chill, welcoming, and welcome, and always down to help, whether you're totally new or already pro deep into cards. More how-to content are on the way, so follow along if you want to learn the ropes. The chill way. This is your sign to catch the vibe, learn the game, play with friends, score big wins, let the good vibes begin.